Hi guys, so there is a bit of dinner in the oven, so you might hear it. So this might be quite a short video because I'm actually going to do the overspeed trick, but I'm going to stop it in the middle of the overspeed because I don't want it to get any water. Because as you know, there is a bit of clothes in there. Yeah, we're going to just start it. So let's set it to rinse. I think that's that rinse. Yeah, that's that rinse. And hold on a minute. Alright, now what I need to do is turn it to drain or empty and press start. It will start. The motor has changed. Might be a bit unbalanced as well. That's actually a bit unbalanced, I don't know why. Whoa, bloody hell. Alright. That's 1,380. Alright. Turn it off. Sorry guys that this was a bit too short. But wow guys, I'm very happy. Because now I actually found out we can go to 1,400. So very happy about that. Yeah. It's a bit unbalanced. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please, please, please like and subscribe. And yeah, that's really it. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in so long. I just don't really have enough storage on my phone. So yeah, I will make my video either tomorrow or tonight. So bye guys.